Hello, today we will guide you through how to build interactive dashboards with triggers in PowerPoint. To begin, open the PowerPoint app. Once it launches, start with a blank presentation. This gives you a clean workspace so you can build your interactive dashboard from scratch without any extra elements getting in the way. After your blank slide opens, go to the top menu and click Insert. This is where you'll add the visual building blocks for your dashboard. From here, insert some sample shapes onto the slide. These shapes will act as the foundation of your layout and can later be used as clickable elements or design sections within the dashboard. Next, follow the on-screen procedure to create the sample design. Take your time with this part because the overall arrangement of shapes, labels, and visual elements will determine how easy the dashboard is to use. A clear layout is especially helpful when you want viewers to interact with different sections smoothly. Once the design is finished, click on the sample chart. This is the object you'll make interactive. Selecting the correct chart before adding animation is important because the trigger will be connected to the animation applied to this specific object. Now move to the Animations tab. This is where PowerPoint allows you to add motion and interaction to slide objects. Choose a sample animation for the chart. The exact animation can depend on the effect you want, but for dashboards, it's often best to use something simple and clean so the interaction feels polished rather than distracting. After the animation has been added, click Trigger at the top. Triggers are what turn a regular animation into an interactive action. Instead of the animation playing automatically, it will wait for a specific object to be clicked. Finally, choose the Click Rectangle option. This connects the chart's animation to that rectangle, meaning the animation will play when that shape is clicked during the presentation. This is the key step that makes your dashboard interactive and gives users more control over what they see and when they see it. At this point, you've created the basic structure of an interactive dashboard using triggers in PowerPoint. As you continue refining your slide, keep your clickable shapes easy to recognize and your animations consistent. That way, the dashboard will feel intuitive and professional when presented.